What do you see, Bentley? Is it an airplane, a helicopter, or a bird? What do you see? What is it? What is it? I know. If only you had wings. Yeah, it's up there. We can't see it with the camera, but it's there. Just going over the mountain. Bentley knows. Did you get it? Did you get that airplane? No, I missed it. I'll get the next one. Okay, you get the next one. And what about you, Oskar? What do you want? Just my ball, please. Okay. Okay, just your ball. Okay, are you ready? Oh, I hear a squeaky ball. Isn't it a bit too hot? No, just keep throwing it in the sprinkler. I'm fine, lady. Honest, throw the ball. Hurry up, throw it. Here. Okay.